How to fix maximum number of attempts reached, try again later on TikTok. So if you want to fix maximum number of attempts reached, try again later on your TikTok, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you are using a stable internet connection. If your internet connection doesn't work, you can turn on your airplane mode for at least about 10 seconds and then turn it off and check your issue. It will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to clear the app cache. You need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down and then go with general. Now under general, you'll have iPhone storage. Tap on it, and then from your iPhone storage, you need to scroll down and then find TikTok. Tap on TikTok and then tap on offload app and then tap on offload again, which is here on the right side. Once you offload the application, you need to reinstall, and after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to enable background app refresh. To do that, you need to go back to your settings, and from your settings, you need to just scroll down and go with general. Now under general, you need to scroll down again and then go with background app refresh. And here you need to go and turn on the background app refresh. Go and turn it on. You can select Wi-Fi and mobile data, but if you mainly use Wi-Fi, you can go and select Wi-Fi. And once you turn on your background app refresh, you need to scroll down and then make sure that your background app refresh for your TikTok is also turned on. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just go and uninstall your TikTok application. And after uninstalling, again reinstall it from your app store. And after reinstalling, just go and log in and check if it fixed your problem. Or if none of these fixes work, then you can again open up your settings, and from your settings you need to just go with general, which is right here. Under general, scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and go with reset all settings. Once you reset your settings, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix maximum number of attempts reached. Try again later on your TikTok, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.